Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the right tools at your disposal. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by turning off your Dell XPS laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base. Make sure to keep them organized, as losing screws can complicate reassembly. As you lift the cover, use the plastic spudger to gently pry it open, avoiding any damage to internal components. Once the back cover is off, you will see various components, including the hard drive, RAM, and motherboard. If you need to extract information from the hard drive, carefully disconnect it by releasing the clips. Ensure you handle it with care to avoid data loss. If you're unfamiliar with hardware handling, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assist you in safely extracting your data without risking damage to your device. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Dust can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and heat sinks. This step is crucial as overheating can lead to performance issues. As you clean, be cautious around sensitive components. If you don't have the tools for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. We can handle everything for you, ensuring your laptop remains in top shape. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your Dell XPS. Place the hard drive back in its slot, ensuring it fits snugly, and reattach the back cover by aligning it correctly and securing all screws. Before you power on your laptop, double-check that all screws are tightened and that no tools are left inside the device. Once everything is in place, reconnect your power source and start your laptop. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Our goal is to make your experience as seamless as possible, so you can enjoy your Dell XPS without worry. In summary, extracting information from your Dell XPS involves careful handling and cleaning of internal components. Always ensure you have the right tools, and if needed, seek professional help for a hassle-free experience. With our services, there's no need for calls or travel, making it easier than ever to get your laptop back in optimal condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.